We received the Model X MCU screen today. Car owner said the screen suddenly went black. We opened it and we saw a significant leak. We can fix the problem, but only by replacing the display, so let's open it. Remove the PCB and move it into the new display. This is the new display. Let's install the PCB. Let's be careful to connect everything as it was originally. Finish it. Let's test it on platform. Now the screen works. The touchscreen is also working perfectly. If you meet similar problems, please feel free to contact us.